Hi, my name is Maryna Cherniavska, and I am a senior software engineer at OLX Group. So I've been asked to answer a few questions for you today. And the first is how you got into your tech specialty. So it was actually a little bit accidental because at first I was studying economics in the university, and then I switched to computers, to computer science, because our parents got us a computer in our second year, me and my sister. And I got very interested, and so we ended up both qualifying as software developers and working as software developers, actually. So the second question is, what tips do you have for young aspiring developers? And the main tip with this virus thing going around right now would be that the only constant thing you should expect in our profession and generally in your life is change. So everything is changing right now, and the organizations which never thought previously about working from home are now working from home as a whole. So everybody does it. Everybody is implementing this policy right now. But it just illustrates that change is constant and sometimes very unexpected. And the other side of this is that you will always have to learn. You will never stop learning. And if you think that you will ever be able to relax, then just drop this thought, because this never happens. I've been in this profession for years and years, and nope, doesn't happen. So don't expect that. And so question number 3 is, tell us about your journey. So I started with the university, and then actually my first job was a bit random as well, because I was living in a small town and there was not my choice, and I really wanted to be a software developer. So I went where I got the only offer of actually developing software, and it was the police department. So I was hired by the police department as a programmer. I was making applications for existing databases and designing new databases, stuff like this. It was really, really interesting. It didn't pay well at all, but it got me into programming, and I'm grateful for that. But after that, I switched to private sector. I was hired by an outsourcing company, and then I was able to relocate first to Poland and then to Germany, where I was hired by OLX Group, which is online classifieds. And it's a much bigger company than everything I worked for before, so it's a big step up for me. So the last question is your favorite technology and why. I think I would not be really original, but I'm going to say that my favorite technology, or actually my favorite programming language, is Kotlin, because I've been working for quite a few years with Java, and Kotlin is Java on steroids. So it is the same thing but better. It is less verbose, it is more fun, and it is very important to have fun with what you do. You should always do what you love. So Kotlin allows people who have been working with Java and maybe got a little bit exasperated with its weaknesses. It allows us to feel like they're having fun again, and they're working with something that's really convenient and comfortable, but also advanced and new and shiny. So the last thing I want to mention is that you are probably luckier than me, because I had to battle some stereotypes and they're still pretty much there. That women cannot be software developers, which is completely ridiculous because the first programmer was a woman, Ada Lovelace. You must know that. And the stereotypes are there to be conquered, so you should learn to look beyond them, and you should learn to take people as they are, no matter what their gender, race, color, or whatever. So diversity makes also business sense because it has been proven many times that diverse teams just perform better. So that's why we're here to stay. Thanks.